Hey guys, welcome to my shop. As you can see, I've got a mess. I've got a snapper lawnmower pulled apart back here. I'm rebuilding for my father. I'm still working on the joiner project, so I've got a lot of sawdust and tools out. But I wanted to go ahead and build a dust filter. I've wanted one for a long time. I got the dust collection system from Harbor Freight, which works really well, but there's still a lot of fine particles in the air. It gets pretty bad sometimes when you're cutting a lot of wood. So that's what we're going to do today. So hope you enjoy. Now that we've got the pieces cut to length, we need to take the paint off the edges so the glue will stick. Now we use some 1 1/4 inch drywall screws to hold it all together. After screwing everything together, I installed the fan and it fits pretty snug, so we're going to use some 1/4 inch plywood, cut out some pieces on the bandsaw to fill in these gaps. Got a piece of cardboard here I'm going to use as a template, so I'll put it in place on the front and I'll mark it around the fan from the back side. Now I'll just tack them in place with 5/8 inch brads. This filter is about a 1/2 inch too small both directions, so went to my scrap pile and found these pieces of pine. I'm going to cut them down with the bandsaw so I don't have to take the plastic off of the table saw and see if I can get it to fit. Well, I was going to build some rotating levers around the border to hold the filter in, but it's staying in pretty good by itself, and when the fan's on it's going to be pulling the filter in, so I don't see any reason to do that. I'll probably add a handle at some point. I may have one. I want to look through and see what I have before I go and build one, but I think this project's pretty much done, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.